guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Haley from Haley. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a duct tape bow. So I've never made this before, so hopefully it will go well, and if it doesn't work, then I will try to make another pattern for them. But if you want to make them, like if you want to follow along and maybe it'll mess up, just do it and just try it. So let's get started. So what you're going to need first is your roll of duct tape. I'm just using this tealish blue that I have. I'm just going to use this. Whatever you have, you can use different ones, but I'm just going to use teal. And a pair of scissors. And maybe a Sharpie. I have my Sharpies right here. So, and I also have a pen. So I have been prepared. So that is what you're going to need. So let's move on. So you're going to get your duct tape and make your bow how long you want it. I think I'm gonna make it about there. I don't have the actual measurements. I'm sorry guys, but you can try and copy my measurements if you guys want to. You can make your bow how long you want your bow to be. I might glue some like pom-poms on it because I have pom-poms. You can put like pom-poms, you can put like sequins, glitter. I am just going to do, I think, pom-poms. I'm just going to hot glue them on. So, here is the strip that I have. Now, stick it on there, and then I'm just going to make another one that looks exactly like it. Well, not looks, but it kind of looks like it. So, I'm just going to stick those pieces together and put them over to the side just a little bit, and then line those up. Alright, so there we go. Now there are two sides there, and I'm just going to cut it out and then snip all of the rough edges. That way I have the amount, the like straight edge. So I just snipped it so it has a straight edge, and I'm just going to do it all over the other edges. One, two, and here's number 3. And number 4. All right, so this is the easy part, I think. You're just going to pinch it, and it looks like that. But remember, you're going to need your, it can be like a bow tie. You're going to take a little strip that you just have lying around, and I'm just going to cut my strip really quickly. I'm not going to make it so long, because if it was really long, then it wouldn't really work out. You can also like measure it. I'm not really measuring, I am just doing what I think it'll work, and then you can just trim the excess. But make sure you at least have a long enough one, because if you don't, then it'll be kind of hard to actually like put more on. So you're going to cut a thin strip. I'm just going to cut like there probably, all the way down. And it is kind of hard to do this. You can make this a bow tie, you can make it a hair bow, put it on your dog, put it on your cat, just if your parents say you can. Don't want to torture your cat like I do. So, because I torture my cat all the time. I'm sorry, Louie. Shout out to Louie. Louie, my kitten. He is 1 and something years. And he's 1. I'm not sure how many years. I mean, how many months. But shout out to Louie. So I'm just cutting this all the way down until I get to the perfect one that I need. So we're just gonna cut that. All right, so you're going to take your strip. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's just connecting. You're just going to take your bow that I have here and just wrap it around. And it'll kind of look like a JoJo bow, but it really won't. I'm sorry if you guys were expecting a JoJo bow, but this is not a JoJo bow. It is just made out of duct tape, and I'm doing the best I can for you guys. So, and I'm going to wrap it around a few times to make it so it's like really tight. That way I don't have to put a bunch of pieces if it accidentally breaks. So I wrapped it around all those times and just fold it over those edges. And there's your bow. Bow tie. I got my bow tie. I got my bow tie. I'm crazy. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video on how to make a duct tape bow, please subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that bell so you always know when I post a new video. And shout out to my fam. I love you guys so much, and my cat. So I wish I could see you guys right now. But see you guys later. Bye. Peace out. Peace out.